Viewers going to share three reports. First report is about protests which are being carried out in Addis Ababa. Ethiopian Federal Police is arresting protesters. Your second report is about Abiy Ahmed, who is facing continuous growing pressure to reverse expulsion of United Nations officials' decision. Your third report is about Ethiopian Air Force, which is again using drone strikes against Tigray Defense Force in Valdia and Kobo. Viewers, now let's move to the first report. Protests break out at Iricha festival in Ethiopia's capital. Protests calling for the release of political prisoners, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed's downfall, and praising the Oromo Liberation Army commander Jalmaro. As per detail, in a heavy presence of federal police, people gathered in the early hours of the morning at Hura Finfine in the center of the capital, Addis Ababa, to perform rituals. Years not longer after, protesters started shouting slogans like Jawar, Jawar, down, down, Abiy, and Maro. Sources on the ground told Addis Standard that although the security apparatus response has been measured so far, injuries have occurred and those injured have been moved to hospital, and the police made arrests at the premise of the festival at Mescal Square. Today is the first day of a 2-day celebration at Hura Finfine in Addis Ababa and Hura Arsadi in Bishoftu city. The celebration will move to Bishoftu to perform final rituals at Lake Hura tomorrow morning. Viewers, now let's move to the second report. The United Nations informed Ethiopia that it has no legal right to expel 7 United Nations officials whom it accused of meddling in the country's affairs. United Nations Deputy Spokesman Farhan Haq said a diplomatic note sent to Ethiopia's United Nations mission and conveyed to Ethiopian President Abiy Ahmed during a phone call with United Nations Secretary General Antonio stated the United Nations long-standing legal position that the doctrine of declaring someone persona non grata or unwelcome does not apply to United Nations personnel. Viewers, he said the doctrine of declaring someone persona non grata applies between states. We are not a state. Abiy Ahmed is facing condemnation over his decision to expel United Nations workers and is under continuous growing pressure to reverse expulsion of United Nations officials' decision. Viewers, now let's move to the third report. Ethiopian drones have been spotted in Shifra. Several sources are reporting that Ethiopian Air Force is carrying out drone strikes in Valdia and Kobo town. Whereas 2 days ago, Ethiopian Air Force has also conducted drone strikes in and around Ashigoda wind farm, which is close to A2 highway and around 20 km from Mekelle. Tigray Defense Force positions were targeted in these drone strikes. Now, as per reports, Ethiopian Air Force conducting drone strikes in Valdia and Kobo town. Distance from Valdia to Kobo is around 50 km and located on A2 highway. Where fighting was halted in Amhara region from last week, but today Ethiopian Air Force started drone strikes on the positions of Tigray Defense Force. Whereas Ethiopian forces want to vacate Amhara region from Tigray Defense Force, but still Tigray Defense Forces are present in large numbers in Amhara region. Viewers, these were 3 reports. For more latest reports, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.